Hi everybody, this is Chris Siu from Math Accelerator, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I'm going to solve a P4 problem sum using model drawing. Let's go to the question. This is what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to read the question, then I'm going to highlight the keywords. And thirdly, from the keywords, I'm going to use it to construct the model that will help us to solve the question. Edison, Brian, and Kelvin shared some cards. Edison and Brian have 4,059 cards. Edison and Kelvin have 3,135 cards. Brian has 4 times as many cards as Kelvin. Kelvin packs his cards into bundles of 7 each. How many bundles does he have? So the first thing to do is, let's highlight some of the keywords. We were told that Edison and Brian, they have 4,059 cards. Then Edison and Kelvin, they have 3,135 cards. And we're able to see that Edison appeared in both comparisons, right? That's the first observation. Next, we were told Brian had 4 times as many cards as Kelvin. Let's underline this word called 4 times. That means Kelvin, if Kelvin has 1 unit, Brian will have 4 times, means Brian will have 4 units. Let's put this information here. So if Kelvin is 1 unit, then Brian will be 4 times, that means he will have 4 units. And Kelvin packs his cards into bundles of 7, and we need to find out how many bundles does he have. So bundles of 7 cards is another important. So we have enough information here to help us construct the model. So here we have Edison and Brian. And Brian we know is 4 units. So we're going to draw a model that looks like this. This is Edison. And Brian has 4 units. We're going to put down 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we call this Edison and Brian. And they had a total of 4,059. Next, we have Edison and Kelvin. Edison and Kelvin is 3,135 cards. Kelvin, take note, is 1 unit. So we're going to draw Edison with 1 unit. So we have A plus C. And the two of them has 3,135 cards. So from here, the model is complete. So the next thing is how we're going to use the model to solve the question. Now, look at this part. The first model compared to the second model, here's the difference, right? And we realize that the difference is actually equals to 1, 2, 3 units. So we're going to write here, that's 3 units is the difference. Now we're going to find out the actual value of these 3 units. So the value of these 3 units is the difference between the total of Edison and Brian, which is 4,059, and Edison and Kelvin, which is 3,135, minus 3,135. All right? So if you do a subtraction, you should be able to get your 924. So from here, we should be able to find the value of 1 unit. So we will take 924 divided by 3. So if you do your division, you will end up with 308. So the next thing is, now that we find the value of 1 unit, so we need to find how many bundles does Kelvin have. So Kelvin, he has 1 unit. We already found out that his 1 unit is actually equals to 308. Now this 308 is pack his cards into bundles of 7. So next we need to find out how many bundles there should be. Okay, number of bundles. So it should be 308. If every pack has 7 cards, we should be dividing by 7. and we will arrive at 44. Right, so our answer for this question will be 44. Let me write over here. And that's how we use model drawing to solve this P4 problem sum. Is your child finding math challenging, especially when it comes to model drawing? If you want them to master proven techniques for solving problem sums with confidence and precision as shown earlier, we're here to help. Drop us a message in the comments or simply click on the button to get started. Do like and share this video to help us reach more parents and students who may benefit from this content. See you in the next video.